Just a real quick video here in Atlantic, Iowa after the annual fun fly, breaking out the ElectroStreak again. This is always a fun plane to fly, and gonna send her up and do some stuff. Just as before, I've got the 4-in-1 multi-protocol on my first guy, running the original receiver and everything with an 8x10 prop. Hi.
Battery 5%. Seconds.
I love this airplane. So that is the data from the flight. With the multi-protocol, I do get telemetry. 1700 milliamp used, maximum current 47 amps, which is perfectly reasonable for the stock 45 amp ESC. So yeah, if you want a little bit more speed for free, grab yourself an 8x10E.
Recording. Oh! Yeah.
1 minute.
1 minute. How is it so fine?
So it's steel, isn't it?
hit and I turned to look and see something.
It's a magnet.
Where's the fuselage?
It was clear down the field. Yeah, it continued on and like slid down the runway all the way down there.
Where?
Eland's right here. He brought it back in the side-by-side. He
Huh.
drove all the way down and got it.
What the fuck?
Actually looks not bad.
The fuselage is fine. You just need to wait. Oh, it did split the fuselage a little in the front.
Ah,
Good to go. Yeah, when you hit, the fuselage just kept going right down
I
the
didn't
runway like a
even see
lawn
it.
dart. Yeah,
it is.
that was impressive.
You're welcome. You said last year there were no crashes, so I was like, well, I'll make up for
But I
it.
didn't mean you had to do all of them.